How to use Trends features on X app, formerly known as Twitter. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the X app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to effectively use Trends feature, you need to go to the search bar. Here you can see the search icon in the bottom left. Tap on it. So you will be prompted to this explore page. Then at the top, you can see different sections. Select this trending option. From here, you can view current topics and hashtags that are trending. Trends are location based by default. So to view worldwide trends, you can go to the explore settings. Tap on the settings icon in the top right. If the show content in this location option is turned on, you can turn it off. Select this explore locations and select your preferred location from here. After that, you can go back and you will see the trends of that particular location. So that's it. That's how you can effectively use Trend feature on X app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.